Welcome back to the videos. This is Stu. Stu knows lots of stuff about mountain biking and I don't know anything. So today we're going to go for a ride. We're in Westcott. We're going to head over to Pease Lake, the mecca of mountain biking in Surrey, and have some fun. He's ridden the Cape Epic, so I'm in good hands.
We'll see.
Why are you pumping up my bike there?
Yeah,
normally I pump up the tyres.
This is for extra air for your tyres.
Oh, okay, cool.
This is a safety air.
This is a whole new sport, but at least with cross-country mountain biking, you wear the same kit as you do for road. No baggy shorts. I like you've cleaned your shoes.
Yeah. Is it over or under? I never know this.
I don't know, you're the mountain biker. So Stu's put way more air in my suspension. It wasn't set up at all when we left the shop because I wasn't going to be riding until Sunday, but now we've set it up a little bit. Feels a little bit less like riding through sludge. This is the last time you'll ever see this bike clean. It's 1 degree and frosty, and no one else is stupid enough to come out and ride bikes today. So
we're going to do a nice little warm up. We're going to go sort of around all the houses, warm us up. Good
around houses, I've done that before.
Around houses, and then nothing too crazy. We're not going to try and kill you in the first like 5 minutes, and then we'll sort of work our way to the top of Holmbury, and then the fun begins. Okay. Then the carnage starts. Then we'll see if Francis has got his greenies in the right place.
You're right, you're doing a dance.
I think I'm fucking hypothermic and we haven't even started.
Already rewarded for coming out today. A little bit of ice on the ground. Should make things a little bit more solid when we hit the trails. I didn't really want my first experience on a mountain bike to be complete sludge. We'll see. How have I never been here before? This is beautiful. So good, isn't it?
This is the best. No cars, few dog walkers.
Yeah.
I'm getting my sweat on. A little too much climbing.
I mean,
Francis is different.
No,
Fuck.
I'm out of breath. I reckon I'm out of breath because I can't lock out my suspension.
Yeah.
That's my excuse.
This is all the sand.
Yeah.
I don't like the sand in mountain
Crazy
biking.
sand. Mountain biking is a lot of climbing, mate.
Yeah, it sucks. If they can take the climbing out,
Yeah.
it'll be the best sport in the world.
Yeah. Someone should invent that shit.
Yeah. Oh, wait. You can almost see Europe where we were allowed once.
When Stu found out that I was riding the Epic, he made a vlog for me. It was private. I don't think it's private anymore.
Well, I made it private now.
Have you made it private?
So much swearing.
One day you'll see the vlog he made for me. And he came up here and the view is pretty decent.
We've got like another one of these on pitch, and then pitch has mainly just got like sketchy, scary bits to go down.
Yeah.
So we'll kind of like do some mellow ones down, just to get your eye in.
Okay. Okay.
Sketchy comes later.
Okay, cool. my God.
He's a king.
I need to, things I really need to do for next time, because that was like, that's a pretty easy trail, right?
Yeah.
I was braking too much on these berms. You don't need to brake around that at all, because it like should suck you around the corner. Whereas my brain just goes, yeah, pull the front brake, which is a bad idea.
Just set yourself up, be happy with your speed entering, and then don't brake, and then just rail that puppy through.
Rail that puppy through. He makes it look so easy.
It's not moving so quick.
I want one of those. I got one on order. Everyone told me off for not putting on one on my bike.
This is the game changer of XC riding. I don't care bar anything. It's the best thing ever.
Because you're out of the saddle pretty much the whole way down, technical bits like that, and that you do find the saddles in the way, don't you?
Yeah, and you don't smash yourself in the nads, which is also quite a large bonus. No brakes. Don't hold the handlebars.
Don't hold them at all.
Yeah, don't hold them. Just float them.
Whee.
No, wait. I'm so shit.
One more leg, nice smooth bit, go on.
Okay.
Nice smooth bit.
Focus. Oh, Jesus, I thought I'd go over there.
That I have an addiction. 24/7, all I do is procrastinate. My lesson. 24/7, all I do is procrastinate. Perfection. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip.
Frostbite when I...
Why have I been wasting my time on road bikes all this time? It's so much more fun.
Basically, you've wasted your life, right? So
I wasted my life.
your life has been nothing but just boredom and misery and wastage. But now, my son, you are a master.
This is like the true Pease Lake experience, right?
Oh yeah, this is now you have like come of age. This is not only have you destroyed a perfectly good bicycle,
In one ride.
one ride, chuck that shit away now.
I can't believe the drops and the gaps and how bumpy you can ride over with that bike. It's mad.
fully amazing. Like they will literally go over anything, and they climb amazingly well, even with wagon wheels on.
I don't get it. What's the point of like, if you're on an enduro?
That was Tracy. Was it Tracy? Maybe not. I mean, like we're using a fair chunk of the travel. So,
Oh yeah, what's mine?
You know, you have used a bit today.
This little rubber band shows you how far your travel's gone in. There's not that much
How close to fully enduro you've gone.
Well, there's actually a bit left, so you could do some.
Francis, you've done amazing. There's been no OTB. There's been squeals of joy.
With a GoPro in my mouth.
Sort
Oh,
of
you're so fast.
fast line.
Is your heart rate up? Are you like pedaling hard? I'm pedaling hard because I'm braking so much.
No, just
Oh, I'm so bad at this.
try pump.
What?
Get the pump on.
Pump.
But you're also holding onto the camera.
Oh, the sand in my... Yeah, but holding the camera in my teeth doesn't affect my riding.
Like, you got like a one nostril breathing thing going on because like the mud's flying in there. Oh, you're multitasking like a some bitch. Hello.
Oh, Lawrence is here.
Hello, mate.
Are you okay?
Yes. I'm just having a rest. This is where I sleep.
Yeah.
It's very safe mountain biking, you never crash, you just have little rests. Oh, please, thank you.
Well, I wanted a full mountain bike experience and I think I got it. I'm going to bring a chest mount next time because my jaw has actually got more of a workout than it, actually no, my upper body hurts as well. Even on the climbs, man, you are using so much less energy than me.
I think that's just repetition of that line, knowing where the grip is. That's a cheeky win.
How many times have you ridden these?
1 million.
Okay, I don't feel so bad.
Oh, he's got the grip.
Yeah, you see that guy? He didn't try and ride this tiny bit for no reason, and he didn't crash.
Showing off. This is the one thing I was told specifically: don't try and show off. Fucking face plant into the ground. What's that sweet, smooth sounding SRAM with a slight? I think it's cheating to have a rigid seat pin.
What? I need a dropper.
Yeah, I think this was, you know, my bike wasn't the right height, and my approach speed was wrong. No, I just fucked it like a dickhead. I think it's probably safer if I don't do anything technical.
What is it?
It's just something will shoot out and kill me. Like this is the mighty jet wash, which hopefully we can find some water.
So he's going to go and get some water from a church to fill up his mobile pressure washer and then clean our bikes. First time riding this bike. I think we did almost every single trail out in Surrey. Every single trail he was just like bang, gone. Not even putting in any effort. I mean, it's not a Karcher, but it's pretty good, isn't it? What trails did we actually ride today? Because we did quite a few.
We've done the majority of the cool ones. So we did Barry's, we did Supernova, we did Yoga Pots, the Telegraph Run. Those were kind of the nice flowy ones, and you handled them like a chief.
How much of Summer Lightning did we do? Because we seem to come on off and on it. Like
yeah, that was pretty much like the whole of Summer Lightning. So
okay.
Yeah, top to bottom, from Leith Hill Tower all the way down, and then I crashed. Which is entirely your fault.
Not even on a proper run.
Not even.
Mate, thank you so much for today. This won't be the last time we do this.
Super good. I loved having you.
I need to, like, my upper body's got to recover for the next week, and you just made it look easy. You're in the distance every time. I'm like, right, this time I'm going to stay with him, and then you just go, gone.
Droppers. It's all about the droppers.
It's the dropper post. That's what it is.
That's all it is. Stick one of those on, you can do anything.